this little girl, apricot female, is available. The black one that wants to be held and petted is spoken for, huh? But the little girl there, apricot full poodle female, is available. Okay, just a minute. Come here. All right. Are you happy now? Huh? Are you happy? There she is. She's a light apricot with cream. She's probably going to be about 5-6 pounds full grown. And Rocket is her father. Well, she's holding on to that toy.